Hello everybody, I'm GG and welcome back to this tutorial series, and in today's episode we're going to take a look at creating a particle circle. As you can see, we're inside our plugin from our last episode, and first thing we're going to do is create another command checker. So else if art0 dot equals circle, little lag circle, then we do, and this time we're not gonna put the code inside of the if argument. We're just gonna call a method called circle, which is gonna give the location, which is gonna get the location and the radius of the circle as arguments. Now, as far as creating that method, we go into this. We do public void, because it's a void. I do draw circle, and then it should take a location. Let's just call it log, and it should take a float with the radius, just like that. And inside of here we want to actually do a couple of things, because to create a circle we need an added x value. So we're gonna do x, we need to have a float x and a float y, and float z I mean. We're gonna create a flat circle on the ground, and to do a circle you actually need to I'm just gonna cast it to a float because we're gonna get a double. We're gonna need to do the radius times the time, because we're gonna put this inside of a for loop. Int t equals 0, t below 50, and then t equals plus 0.5, because we do not want to have steps with an increase of 1 as we do with the line, because how smaller you make this is actually plus equals. The smaller you make the steps, the more detailed your circle will become. So we're gonna put this one inside of here, or inside of here, and then we do radius times, and then you need to call in the math thing from Java, and then dot sin, and then t, like that, and it will return an error because we already casted it to float, so I don't know why it's causing this error. Let's just do a quick check. Cast to float. I'm already casting it to float, so that's what a stupid suggestion. Oh, then just cast that to a float then. And as far as the z-axis goes, we are gonna do the same as over here. Instead of a sin, we're gonna do a cos, just like that. That will create two functions, which will in the end result in a circle, and then we of course need to send the packet. So I'm just gonna copy that from our line over there, and then instead of x, y, and z, we're gonna do log, because we passed a location as well. Log get x plus x itself, and then for the y we're gonna do log that get y plus and that should be called to and float, because this is gonna return a double. So we're gonna do float over here, and then we're gonna do log dot get z, and then we're gonna add z to it, and we should cast this to float as well, because these are doubles and we want them to be floats. So float, and over there a float as well. And that's it for the draw circle. You will see how this works. If you decrease this, there will be more particles spawned inside of the circle. If you increase that, there will be yeah, there will be more circles drawn. It's not that much compared to the increase, because if you just double this, there will be only half of the steps. If we I like to keep it at 0.5 just for neatness sake. And over here we passed the circle, but we didn't pass the radius, so we're gonna pass a radius, and you should include an F over there, and this should be draw circle as well. Okay, that's it for the coding part, and I challenge you. The little homework task for this episode is to create a like a vortex, an expanding circle, which looks like a tornado, and a tornado. No, just create a tornado. Create a tornado. Show me on the Discord what you got with a little screenshot. And that's it. We're gonna check this out on the server and see you over there. We're inside Minecraft now. I've started up the server, and let's go take a look at our plug-in. And if everything works correct, if I type in effect circle, then we will see this beautiful circle on the ground. And that's it for this episode. Your homework is to make this a tornado. It's not that hard. It's just a little trick, and you just have to figure it out yourself. And let me know on the Discord if you have any issues, or show me your results in the form of a screenshot. And that's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe on the red button below. If you got any feedback or suggestions, in the comment section or on the Discord. I see you in the next video. Bye.